Everyone loves homemade pancakes, but when they're cooked in all that butter and fat and come out ugly and flat, who wants to eat that? Not you! Introducing Pancake Bonanza by Gotham Steel, the fast, easy, low-fat way to make fluffy, delicious pancakes every day. Just pour in your favorite batter, close the handle, and flip it. Then slide it right onto the plate. No spatula needed for a fluffy, man-sized pancake that always tastes great. And here's the best part. We combine 2 chef-quality Gotham Steel Ticerama non-stick pans into one amazing pancake maker that you simply flip so your pancakes are never a flop. Flip delicious blueberry pancakes, fluffy apple cinnamon, healthy banana walnut pancakes, or a traditional stack of flapjacks. The secret is Pancake Bonanza's double dome design that evenly distributes the heat all around, so your pancakes fluff up and cook up perfectly inside and out in no time. Just look at the light and fluffy difference with Pancake Bonanza. Plus, with the patented Ticerama surface, even burned-on marshmallows and gooey chocolate chips won't stick. You can even make delicious chocolate chip cookie cakes. And because it's from Gotham Steel, you can also flip light and fluffy omelets, hearty eggs in a basket, gooey grilled cheese, and so much more. Plus, Pancake Bonanza is dishwasher safe. Introducing Pancake Bonanza by Gotham Steel.